short update. We are on our way currently to pick up the roof clip that I teased about. And I am 100% excited. I got a great price on it. Brandon, your boss. We got the trailer behind us. How it's still going straight with that much play. It's just practice for the bus. You're gonna watch us cut a roof off. Here we're out cutting the seals off again. Or get to the cutting. That's great.
Oh girl, that is bad.
There. I learned that little trick back in Mexico. Camera woman is back in the truck and I'm trying to get warm with my poncho. We're about to get to cutting. Here we go. The moment of truth. How do I cut that? It's that part of the video where one of you lucky viewers gets to choose my next tattoo. Let's see who won. Mountain Wanderer Tie-Dye, you are the winner. Please message us on Instagram and we will put a tattoo on my leg. If this video gets 300 likes, one of you lucky commenters is gonna get a free Vangabonders t-shirt. And now, back to the video.
We got her.
So we got her in the back. We are headed home. This is like right down the street. Can you carry this, honey?
I sure can. I carried the front.
Right. You can't drive a trailer. He's a woman.
I can drive a trailer.
Get yourself a girl that can carry stuff. She's stronger than she looks, obviously. Harder than it looked.
If you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. If we get 300 likes, don't forget we're going to choose one of the commenters to win a Vangabonders t-shirt. We don't know which t-shirt yet. We've got multiple. We'll let the winner choose which t-shirt they want. And hit the little bell icon, be the first to know when we upload. You never know, we could upload tomorrow or it could be a week from tomorrow. So